Hello, everybody. So I'm back twice in one day. It's a good thing. I got my Spellbinder's monthly kit in, so we'll just look through it, see what we got. It came late because I guess whoever does their stencils shut their doors on them, and they had to get somebody, I guess, real quick to do their stencils. So here's the wax beads, and it's fern. The wax seal is lush leaf. We have the glimmer foil, and the color is lavender petal. That is a really pretty color. Okay. This little cheeky cutting die, Pip. Look there, he's going to be cute. Okay, the stencils are Nature's Canvas. That's pretty. Let's hope that their new supplier did a good job. Nature's Canvas. Then we have the Better Press of the month, which looks like a background. Oh, not like completely. You will have to do 2 of them or whatever. May your days be as bright as spring flowers. Sending spring blessings. Thank you. Nice. So that's going to be good. Then we have the Glimmer of the month. And I'm assuming this is going to cut around the leaves. And you're the beauty. Enjoy the beauty of spring. This spring. Into happiness. Make your own, enjoy the beauty of spring. So you will do, I guess, 2 of these to do the card. Then we have the clear stamp of the month. Look at the little bunnies and the chicks. So cute. Spring smiles. Step into spring. Hello. Bright days ahead. Warm Easter wishes. Sending spring smiles. Springtime magic enclosed. And then these are the dies that go with the clear stamp of the month. This is the stitching die of the month. Stitched scallop. And the tag, that's cute. I like that tag. It's a nice set. It looks like a very nice set. Yep. Small die of the month. Step into spring. The flowers are coming out of her socks. Will I ever do that? No. That's not something I'm going to do. Okay, but the shoe could be in the bed of flowers or something that I would do. All right. Large die of the month. Dancing hoppy bunnies everywhere. I love this. You take the bunny and you dress him how you want him. Get him all together. There's the little girl. Where's the little boy? They didn't do the one with the overalls on here. But there are little overalls right here. Nice. Embossing folder of the month is a wicker basket. And the 3D embossing folder of the month is petite bow. So there's bows in every corner. So I don't know if you can see that, but every corner, basically. Even though it's a diamond, I guess that's still a corner. All right. That's it. I just wanted to show you. Maybe tomorrow we'll do a card with one of them. Yeah. All right, everybody. I hope everybody's having a blessed day. Bye-bye now.